Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard drums in FL Studio. First, let's gather your drum samples. Choose a powerful, high-quality drum kit that provides a strong foundation for your sound. Load these individual samples directly into FL Studio's channel rack. This is where you'll organize and sequence each drum hit. Take a moment to adjust the individual volume of each sample, ensuring a balanced starting point before you begin programming your beat. Now, let's focus on the core of your hard drum sound, the kick and snare. For a truly impactful kick, consider layering a punchy sample with a subtle sub-bass layer to add depth. Next, select a sharp snare sample that has a quick, tight decay for that crisp snap. Program a solid 4-on-the-floor kick pattern to establish a strong rhythmic backbone for your track. With your kick and snare in place, it's time to add groove and complexity with hi-hats and percussion. Place closed hi-hats on the offbeats to create a driving rhythmic pulse. Experiment with varying the placement of open hi-hats to introduce dynamic interest and movement. Finally, strategically introduce other percussive elements like shakers or rim shots to fill any empty spaces and enhance the overall texture of your drum pattern. To make your drums truly hit hard, proper mixing and enhancement are crucial. Apply compression to individual drum sounds to control their dynamics and make them punch through the mix. Consider adding a subtle amount of distortion or saturation to introduce grit and character. Lastly, use equalization, or EQ, on each drum to carve out its unique frequency space, ensuring every element is clear and impactful in the final mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.